Welcome to today's video about the benefits of black seed oil in a world full of synthetic compounds and dangerous chemicals. There is a lost seed, a small gem hiding in the shadows of the wind-swept aircraft and expansive markets. An ancient mystery lies at the heart of a simple, unassuming seed, black seed, a mysterious material valued since antiquity, revered by the ancients, and even discovered in pharaoh tombs. But what makes it special? A formidable protector against dangerous intruders, rich in antioxidants and vital fatty acids. Could this be the answer to a better, happier lifestyle? But the issue remains. Are we ready to reveal the truth about black seed oil? Join us on a trip deep into the core of this little seed, unveiling the science, dispelling myths, and uncovering the true potential that could change your life forever. Stay tuned, keep your mind open, and prepare to experience a whole new world of natural well-being. Let us discover the secret of black seed oil. Subscribe today so you don't miss our next episode. Let's solve the mystery together. Just a reminder that the information in this video is intended to be educational only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. Let's begin our ranking with the number 1 antioxidant property. Black seed oil is well known for its antioxidant qualities, which are principally due to active components such as thym, quinone, carvacrol, and 4-terpineal. These chemicals have been extensively researched due to their potential health advantages. Thym, one of the main components of black seed oil, has been found to have powerful antioxidant capabilities. It neutralizes free radicals in the body, which are highly reactive chemicals that can cause oxidative damage to cells and lead to a variety of disorders. Thymquinone protects cells from harm and promotes general wellness. Similarly, black seed oil contains carvacrol, TOL, and 4-terpineol, all of which have strong antioxidant action. These substances serve to battle oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the body's natural defense mechanisms. The antioxidant process in black seed oil involves active molecules directly interacting with free radicals, neutralizing them, and preventing them from causing cellular harm. These chemicals transfer an electron to stabilize free radicals, minimizing their negative effects. The second priority is cancer prevention. Did you know that black seed oil has been investigated for its potential cancer prevention properties? In recent studies, experts have been investigating the numerous processes involved in how black seed oil may aid in the fight against cancer. Let's get into the details and discover the most recent findings. A 2022 study revealed that black seed oil contains chemicals such as thym, quinone, dihydroquinone, and quinone, all of which have powerful anti-cancer activities. These chemicals have been shown to impede the growth and proliferation of cancer cells. The process of cancer prevention via black seed oil begins with the activation of signaling pathways that regulate cell proliferation and survival. Black seed oil contains chemicals that interfere with pathways that promote cancer cell development, such as causing apoptosis, programmed cell death, and blocking angiogenesis, the production of new blood vessels to supply tumors. Furthermore, black seed oil has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are known risk factors for cancer development. These characteristics aid in protecting cells from DNA damage and mutations that can lead to cancer. It is crucial to emphasize that while black seed oil has shown promise in cancer prevention, further research is needed to completely understand its mechanisms and assess its usefulness in clinical settings. The third step is to control your diabetes. Because of its unique ingredients and effects on blood sugar levels, black seed oil has sparked interest as a potential diabetes management treatment. Recent studies have given light on this intriguing field. A study published in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism in 2021 looked on the effects of black seed oil on diabetes management. The researchers discovered that black seed oil includes thymquinone, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics. THIM improves insulin sensitivity and lowers blood glucose levels. Another study, published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2022, looked at the effects of black seed oil on diabetic rats. The findings demonstrated that black seed oil dramatically reduced blood glucose levels while improving lipid profiles. It also enhanced the activity of antioxidant enzymes that defend against oxidative stress, which is often connected with diabetes. Furthermore, a systematic review and meta-analysis published in the Journal of Herbal Medicine in 2023 found that black seed oil supplementation effectively decreases fasting blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. While further research is needed to completely understand the mechanisms involved, these findings show that black seed oil has the potential to help manage diabetes. Incorporating black seed oil into one's diabetes care regimen may provide additional benefits while improving overall blood sugar control. Fourth, liver health. You've certainly heard a lot about black seed oil's numerous health advantages, but have you ever considered how this mystical elixir promotes liver health? Let us delve in and fulfill your curiosity. Recent research has revealed that black seed oil includes a component called thymic quinone. Doesn't that sound pretty fancy? Here's when things get exciting. Thiaquin contains high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. So, what is the big deal with these properties? Consider this. Your liver is like a busy metropolis, continuously laboring to detoxify your body. However, like a city, it can become contaminated by poisons and oxidative stress. Here's where black seed oil comes into play. It's like a superhero flying in to save the day. According to a 2022 study published in the Journal of Hepatology, it helps to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, ultimately protecting your liver cells. Cool, right? They discovered that people who consumed black seed oil had much lower levels of liver enzymes, which act as stress indicators for the liver. So, are you ready to harness the power of black seed oil and give your liver the much-needed boost? Let us embark on this road towards healthier life together. Who said science couldn't be entertaining and engaging? Next, number 5. Lower your blood pressure. You are aware that high blood pressure is a major health concern right now. Consider having a natural, scientifically proven answer in your palm. Isn't it a game changer? That's where black seed oil excels. Research. According to a study published in the Journal of Hypertension 2023, black seed oil, which contains strong chemicals, can have a substantial impact on high blood pressure. The hero here is quinone, an active molecule with strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory capabilities. This wonderful molecule helps to expand blood arteries, reduce inflammation, and eventually lower blood pressure. Isn't this impressive? I'm still unsure how effective it can be. Studies reveal a 5 to 10 ERHG drop in systolic and diastolic pressure after only 2 months of use. That is a relief. What's the bottom line? Your heart and arteries will most certainly appreciate you. High blood pressure is serious, and having natural remedies, such as black seed oil, to assist control, it is vital. So, are you prepared to take the first step toward a healthier heart with black seed oil today? Next, number 6. Reduce high cholesterol. Did you know that black seed oil is gaining popularity for its potential to lower high cholesterol levels? This fascinating topic has attracted experts, and recent studies have given information on the mechanism and unique substances involved. In a landmark study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2022, researchers investigated the effects of black seed oil on cholesterol. They discovered that the oil includes thymquinone, a potent antioxidant that helps lower cholesterol levels. Furthermore, a study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2023 found that black seed oil increases the formation of HDL cholesterol, also known as good cholesterol, while blocking the accumulation of LDL cholesterol, or bad cholesterol. The dual impact of black seed oil on cholesterol metabolism demonstrates its potential as a natural treatment for high cholesterol. These findings pave the path for additional research into black seed oil's potential benefits in cardiovascular health. 7th, neuroprotection. Are you curious how black seed oil works to protect against neurodegenerative diseases? So, let me enlighten you with the most recent research findings from numerous credible sources. In a remarkable study published in the Journal of Neuroinflammation 2022, researchers revealed that black seed oil includes a unique molecule known as digestion, which has potent neuroprotective qualities.